Today, Manassas became part of a community school. That means we now have more resources, more people in our corner, more resources for the kids to come and get food, clothes, or any other things that they need within the community. To me, it means more opportunities, especially when it comes to scholarships.
It means a lot to me because it means that kids in the community and in our school are able to come here for help and resources that they need.
It means a great deal. We've always been a community-involved school. All of our alumni have always participated in Manassas activities. I've always heard the cliche that it takes a village to raise a child. And my point is it takes villagers to raise children.
I want to say thank you to the community partners who helped us get to where we are today. And I want to say thank you to everyone who put in the effort to give us the resources and sponsor us as a community school.